Hello everyone, this is question number 26. This question belongs from communication and elements of communication topic. So this question states that human communication involves. I already explained you the terms communication in the previous video. Communication is basically when two people communicate with each other in order to share their thoughts with each other in any language, the language which understand by the both peoples who involved in a communication. So human communication, what are the major elements in a communication? In a human communication, there must be a message which has to be sent from one place to another. Very first element in any communication, what are you trying to convey and what are the thoughts? That can be in the form of anything like in the image, sound, audio, video, anything it could be. But the major term which we can use, that is a message which has to be shared between two people. So there is a message transmission which is very necessary for any communication. If a person is sending a message from, let's suppose this is the person A and having a message for the person B. This is the person B. If person A is sending this message to the person B. So here the first term which is the message transmission. So we need to identify the correct answer from the options below. There are saying that we need to understand which terms is included in the communication. So message transmission, which is very necessary, so we can take this option A. So those options who exclude this A, we can directly eliminate that. This question is very basic and you can do this by the common sense only. Here the option B says that message reception. If a person is sending a message towards the person B, let's suppose there is a person A and sending a message, don't know where he is sending. This is not an effective communication. We are not saying this is a communication over here. Whenever a person is sending a message, there has to be a receiver who is going to receive this message. So this is called a perfect communication. So message reception is also necessary in the communication. So we can say A, B is also right. Here you can observe that option B is not include the B. Option D is not include the message reception, B option. We can exclude this as well. Let's understand the third one, which is verbal and non-verbal messages. Yes, there can be message can be any type of, it can be verbal or it can be non-verbal. So a message type is not matter here. It could be verbal or non-verbal. So C will be involved in a human communication. Next is power packed message only. No, there are so many messages also which is not powerful enough, or this is not like every time we are communicate with each other we have to be talk about the powerful topics, isn't it? So we are not including this in a human communication, which is not necessary all the time. Message for non-consumption, here I am talking about this. Similarly, whenever a person is trying to send a message, there has to be a receiver. Without receiver, there is no means of the communication, which is of no use. So E can be eliminated here. So the correct option for this question will be option number A, which is A, B, C only.